Sunshine's my feet, they're hurting. We still out here in these Miami streets. And I got on heels. I'm sorry, my feet, I've been walking too much. Oh, okay, good. Yes. I'll sit on a seat though. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. No, you can't put it all the way in there.
You're supposed to. That's what they do in the movie.
Ty, this ain't no movie. It's too thick, Ty.
Well, welcome. My name is Antoine. I'm the manager. Happy birthday. May this be your best year ever.
Yes.
Congratulations on this first break. Can I photograph with you? I'll put it in my report tonight. Celebrate the first break. Okay.
Can you show the sign? Alright. Oh my gosh. What'd you think, Ty?
It's the best thing I've ever had in my life.
One time per year.
Thank you.